In this short video, I'll show you how to route calls to multiple incoming numbers. To do so, select Routing from the top and Routing Plans from the left menu. If you haven't already created a routing plan, you can learn how to do so by watching the Create and Activate an Interactive Call Plan video. From here, select the routing plan you want to work on, and then you'll be taken to the Call Builder screen. Here, right-click on the icon and replace it with the distribution icon. Then what you need to do is click on the distribution icon, which will open the Properties box at the bottom left, and in the Mode tab, make sure that from the Mode drop-down, Proportional is selected. Next, we need to go to the Exits tab. Here we're going to create the call routing proportions in percentage for each of the different destinations. So we're going to set up two different destinations. 50% of the calls, the initial 50% of the calls will route to one, and the remaining 50% of the calls will route to another destination. That's really easy to do. So this one here, we're setting up our first destination. So all we do in there is type 50, and then in the second one we type in 50 to take us up to 100%, and then all we do is click Apply. You'll see now that you've added to your call flow icons. So you've got a flow going down here, which is the first 50% of the calls to this icon, and the remaining 50% of the calls to this icon. So now we need to give both of those icons a destination. In order to do so, we'll select this one first, right click on it, insert destination. Then what we need to do is click on that destination to open the Properties box. In the Mode section, like I said, we're going to give it a specific destination, so we'll select external phone number from the drop down. In the settings, type a number in and then click Apply, and you'll see that any calls coming in, the first 50% of those calls will route to that destination number now. And we've done the same for the remaining 50% of the calls. So the remaining 50% of the calls we've set up to route to that destination. So once you're happy with your call flow icons, click Save to apply the changes. So that's how you do it. That's how you set up the routing of calls to multiple numbers.